Hey everyone, welcome back to Maker. Often a simple firmware update can fix several issues. But if you've never done it before, don't worry, updating your Cricut's firmware is way easier than it sounds. I'm going to show you exactly how to do step by step in the simplest way possible. So let's get into it. Alright, go ahead and power on your Cricut machine. Make sure it's connected to your computer either through Bluetooth or just by plugging in a USB cable. Once that's done, open up Design Space on your desktop or laptop. Now you're gonna see a menu button. Just click on that. From there, look for the Update Firmware option and select. Alright, now a list is gonna pop up. Just pick your machine model from that list. Once you've selected it, hit the Update button. Now, here's the thing. You just have to be patient for a few minutes while the update does its thing. When it's all done, you'll see a Continue button. Just click on that. And that's pretty much it. Your Cricut machine is gonna restart automatically. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.